Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel, wanting to show you the Darn Good Yarn of the Month unboxing for the month of September from my Darn Good Yarn monthly yarn subscription. I wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. You can also click that Join Plus button to become a member, and I explain more about that if you click on that button. Also, to subscribe is free. And I wanted to say thank you to all my members. Thank you so much for your support. So this is for September. Sorry I'm a bit late. I wasn't going to order it, and then a friend of mine, Sarah, luckily showed me what the surprise gift was, and I was pretty excited about that, so I decided to order anyways, and it was right before the end of the month. But then my stuff came towards the end of the month, and I wasn't feeling well last week, and long story short, here we are. So, sorry it's a few days late. Anyways, so this month's colorway is called Harvest Moonrise. It's really pretty. A lot of beautiful bright colors there. So it's yellows and two different blues and a beautiful fuchsia in there and even some green. So you see some green in there too. So that's pretty cool. So they classify it as a number 6 bulky weight yarn, which I don't agree with. I think it's honestly more of a thin number 4 worsted weight yarn. So they messed up again. Anyways, and they recommend, well, it doesn't matter what they recommend, and it's written way too small anyway, so whatever. But yeah, for the knitting needle, I can't read it. The crochet hook, I don't know. I guess it's a USMN 12 or something. Or 9mm. And of course, now my dog is like, I gotta play because mom's recording. The hand wash lay flat to dry. It's 50 grams in the hank or 100 yards, 1.76 ounces or 91 meters. I only ordered 3. I forgot how much the cost is. You can see that on their website. That's the stuff that's on there. Again, very pretty yarn. And the gift for this month is really cute. It's a little yarn bag holder. It has a zipper. I'm gonna ignore that it has some pink in it because I will use it, but it's handy for a cool little project. You could put your yarn through here, and no pockets, but that's okay. So it definitely fit a nice little cake of yarn. And it also comes with their little booklet. So they said this one for this month is inspired by the Goddess Demeter. This year it's their Inspired by Goddess series. And it says, as the sun slips lower and the fields glow golden, Harvest Moonrise honors Demeter, the ancient goddess who taught humanity how to harvest, to nurture, and to begin again. This bulky weight yarn captures a moment where abundance meets stillness. The last wild bloom of summer, the first breath of autumn, swirled with twilight blues, sunflower gold, and celestial magentas. It echoes its September sky where mother's power and the earth wisdom intertwine, speckled like a starlit field. Each skein is a tribute to cycles, stories, and sacred craft. As you stitch, imagine Demeter walking the land barefoot, powerful and eternal, reminding us that what we make with care becomes legacy. So that's kind of the picture they have there, sort of what they depicted as Demeter. I have a different idea and depiction of Demeter personally. Anyways, the pattern that they included was a Harvest Moon Infinity crochet scarf. But again, it's calling for a bulky weight yarn, right? And USMN 13 or a 9mm crochet hook, which this would not be, so that probably won't come out correctly. So that's the picture of it. And then the knitting one is very similar. It's also called Harvest Moon Infinity Scarf, and it calls for 10 or size 6mm knitting needles, and that's the picture that they have of it. So that is everything. Nice, short and sweet. Look at that, another 5-minute video. We'll call these little unboxing yarn haul subscription box quickies. So, okay, folks, have a great night. Again, if you want to see the yarn, it's very pretty. And the bag. So, I'll let you go. Thanks. Oh, and I think these are made in India. So, have a great night or day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.